Welcome to the SalveoRx Academy. Lesson 8.1 is a quick tip that will explain to you how you can use a prescription template. Prescription templates are patterns which you can readily use to create prescriptions in an instant. The first thing you'd have to do is to run your SalveoRx. You can do this by selecting SalveoRx from the Start menu or by double-clicking the desktop shortcut. Shortly after doing that, the SalveoRx splash page will appear for a few seconds, after which the login window will appear. Type in your username and password and then log in. To create prescription templates, access the Create Prescription module. Fill in the prescription items and then click the Save as Template button. A message box will appear that will ask you to name your template. Type in the name of your template and then click OK. SalveoRx will prompt that you have successfully created a template. You can repeat this procedure to create more prescription templates. After you've created a template or templates, you can opt to use the template when accessing the Create Prescription module. When you click the Create Prescription button, it will first ask you if you wish to use a template in creating your prescription. Select the option Yes, I wish to use a template, and then click Next. SalveoRx will display the Prescription Template module. Notice that the Prescription Template module will contain the following. 1. An instructional text that will teach you how to use this module. 2. A template table that will contain all the templates that you have created. 3. A preview window of the template records that you have selected from the table. And 4. 2 command options. 1. To use the selected template, and 2. To cancel the use of this module. To use this module, select a record from the template table. Notice that for every record selected, the preview window on the right will display a view of prescription items you had previously set. When done, click the Use This Template button. SalveoRx will then display the Create Prescription module with its prescription items already filled up, as was shown in the template preview. You can proceed with editing this prescription by setting the patient and, if necessary, adjust the prescription item information such as quantity and directions. Save your prescription. You can repeat this procedure every time you are creating prescriptions for your patients. This concludes Lesson 8.1 of the SalveoRx Academy, using prescription templates. Watch the other SalveoRx Academy videos to learn more about SalveoRx. SalveoRx is a product of Salus Healthcare Informatics Incorporated. This video is likewise a product of Salus Healthcare Informatics Incorporated. Closed captioning was provided by the Stag Business Solutions Group, Philippines.